Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BPMX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, some updates here need to be done. First update that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that watched your video from Tuesday, hopefully you remember me talking about 14 cents as that area of support. But now that the price is down below it, as the rule states, you'd expect it to act as resistance. And you can see that's actually already played out. During the final 30 minutes of the day, the price tried to bounce up and get through there and couldn't quite do it. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the price can never ever get up above 14 cents. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did struggle right around that area on the attempted bounce back. So near term wise, 14 cents is that initial area of resistance. And then as far as the overall resistance is concerned, nothing has changed there. That's still up there at the 17-cent mark. Now, what about levels of support? The near-term level of support currently, and this by no means is some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you, anybody that understands charts, uses charts, has taken notice and is watching the same thing, and that has everything to do with that purple line there, which on my chart is denoting the famous 50-period simple moving average. And that's one of those areas where, when the price is above it, you want to see it act as support. So in that regard, so far so good. The price is indeed holding as support. Now, I'm not saying this will occur, but in the event the price does not hold above there and breaks below it, then the next key level of support at that point would be down around the 12-cent mark. So a pretty important level right there, because I don't think anybody wants to see it going all the way down to 12. But like I said, to be fair, so far so good. The price is doing a good job of holding it as support right there. So we'll see how this one continues to play out. Still a couple of days left this week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.